Here I have HUAWEI Ascend Mate, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly, you should know that there is no such thing as power saving mode on this device, but you have this like battery profiles or something like that. You go to settings, then you go to the power manager, and here you can select like a mode. You have like this intelligent mode, optimize for longest standby time, so this is basically just a like power saving mode or something. You have this normal mode, optimize for performance and power consumption, and you have optimum performance, optimize performance only. So yeah, you can also tap save power and it will like 3 power intensive applications have been closed, and this is, yeah, that's how you can save power on this device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.